Welcome. Take a moment to find a space where you can be entirely undisturbed. You have arrived here because your soul is ready to shift, to remember and to recalibrate. Gently close your eyes. Feel the ground beneath you and the space around you. We are moving beyond the noise of the day, beyond the expectations of the mind, and into the sanctuary of your own energetic field. There is no need to do anything and nothing to solve. Simply allow yourself to be a receptive vessel. We are about to engage with the frequency transmission designed to clear the static and bring you back into alignment with your own inherent sovereignty. Take a deep cleansing breath in and let it go. Let the words dissolve. Simply listen and let the resonance do the work. We begin now. Itaka kesha karatesha masho, ireta toka karanaka kesha, ireta kasho, karadasho matatara, ireto toka karaneshu ko. Itoka kesho, ireta tara matara, shoka iteka. Karatesha noka kesho, oreta tara, ireto tora kasho. Karadasho ora tasho, kesho oreta. Oreta taka, karanaka, ireka tora teka. Keshoka kera dasho, ereto tora, ireka. Ireka kara reka, ireka kara ratara. Katara itosha, itatatara, meteka keranaka. Ireka tosha, iretata. Iretata karanaka kora, ireko, itoka. Karatoka maka shokeko. Itosha tera tesho, ora tatara. Karatara meta tosha, iretosha kasho. Karaneka tosha, itosha keratoka ke. Itosha naka kesho naka karanasho. Oh, teshoka ke. Itora to, ika, ito. Itota te, tatareteka matasho, ereta tora tasho, karadasho, kora ka ke, erota to, ereta to, karanoka kerata, eretasho no tata, eretasho no tata, te, korte, eretotora dashanaka, eshoka kasho. Erota tera tasho, ereta ka, karatara masho, eko to, ereta to, ekasho naka, koranaka, etaka, karateka tosha, ereta tara toka, karareta tosha, kera maka, kasho, ereta tosha karaneka, o, eneka, o, ita, kareto taratasho, ereta tasho, karatasho, mata tereka. Ereka totora, karatora neka, ereka tora, karatora, nashoka kera naka, eretotora kero, otatara, karatero ototosha, kashoka mate, itasho, karinasho, karatasho, oretata, kareka, kereka, oshotoko, eretoto, karaka, kera, tosha, karatesho, orotatesho, maratasho, karatasho, oreka kara, karaneka tosha, itata to karanaka, oreta tora tata to, ereta toka tosha, etosha karanaka tera, eshoka kesho naka, ereka kashoka karamaka ke, ereta to karanaka so, sereto tora eroka kasho, karanasho matara, Ereto toka karanaka, isheka ko karatosha, ereto to, eka, isoka ne kato, eretatara tosha karaneka ko, ereto tora kasho, karatasho ma, ereka ka karaneka tora korota tesho orotate karate mata ereto tora tesho karatesho ereto tora ereka tosha karaneka kesho tosha ke ereto tora Ereko kora karatero, etesho, etata te karaneka me, edroka tesho, karatesho retora, esho kakesho, karanesho, ore tatara, matatesho, karatara, ereto. Karatara ireto tara kosha, amata tesho, karatesho, ereto tosha kesho, ereka tara matasho, karatara, ereka to, kashoka. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the weight of your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the stillness you have just cultivated. There is no rush to move. Allow the resonance of this transmission to continue working within your cells. You are not the same as you were 5 minutes ago. You are simply more aligned with who you truly are. As you open your eyes, carry this clarity with you. Remember that you are your own anchor. Whenever you feel the noise of the world rising, you can return to this space and return to yourself. Thank you for sharing your energy with me today. To further anchor this practice and explore more daily activations, I invite you to visit JeanetteGibson.com. May you move through your day with grace, intention, and sovereignty.